I've come to realize that through my entire life, I have been searching. I've been searching for something bigger, searching for meaning or maybe some kind of spiritual belonging. I've been searching like so many others of our species these days. And why does one search? Well, the answer is because something has been lost. Why does one feel lonely among hundreds of thousands of the same kind? Why do we kill each other over pieces of land, glory and fame and religious belief? Well, because we've lost something. Something of great importance. I believe that everything in nature is connected to everything else, including ourselves. It's all about balance and respect. If we lose that, the connection is broken. If we lose that, we lose ourselves.